Dear all respected Brazil friends, the TOPS recycling group was created by me, Samuel Su, in 2001, dedicating all my efforts to start with the designing and manufacturing project of equipment for grinding scrap tires. We supply the best technology in recycling from China. We have 8% of the Chinese market using our technology. We have decades of experience in factory and sales business. Our machines have been widely sold all over the world, such as USA, Canada, South America, Middle East, India, Malaysia, etc., in about 6 countries. Now, we are in Brazil with our greatest online to company ERP and presented by my friend Mr. Ericson Piccoli, director from the company, our new member of the TOPS recycling group. Our mission in Brazil and contribute to reduce the environmental impact because this issue of international priority, our planet needs it.